Welcome back. Robert Lone joins us in the studio tonight, and he wants your coats. Can you explain?
Can I explain about Coats for the Cold? It's taking advantage of the January clearance sale to buy new coats for our school children that aren't as quite privileged as some other school children.
Okay.
This time of year you can buy new coats for up to 80% off. And there's nothing like a new coat to give a child a little bit of self-esteem, make them feel good about themselves, especially if they're going to school cold and hungry.
Absolutely. Now, you said that this was your idea 7 years ago. How did you come up with this?
Pretty much on a whim. I was returning some defective merchandise while I was waiting to get my credit card refund. I noticed a rack of coats, 70% off. I used to be in the clothing business. I was curious. I went and looked at them. It looked like I could buy them for $13 each.
Wow.
So I bought 20 coats for $260. Wow. And on the way home, I started thinking, how can I perpetuate this without just doing it on my own every year? Why don't I take 3 or 4 years worth of coat purchases and open up a website and get an email address and to get other people in the community involved? And the second year, with donations from Pearson's and Leon and the co-op, we went to Gottschalk's and we bought almost 200 coats.
Wow.
And we have the children get involved in the program. After the first Channel 3 newscast, I had everybody coming up to me and say, hey, you know, I got this real nice coat. I've hardly ever worn it, or my child's outgrown it. Can you use it? So I got to thinking, what good does it do in the back of your closet? So the rule is if you've had something in the back of your closet for 2 years and you haven't worn it, it's time to get it out and donate it to us. And we have over 70 locations where you can drop off your coats.
Wow,
from McKinleyville to Garberville.
Okay, very cool. And now you said that there are some high school kids involved as well. What's their role in all of this? Arcata High School, Eureka Elementary School, they did a fund drive. Okay.
Raise some money.
And we're looking at some video from that as well.
There would be Zane, that would be Eureka High School.
Okay.
They do a fundraiser, they come up with X amount of dollars. We have corporate sponsors that will contribute to their effort. We actually give the money to the children and they go out and they decide what coats they want to buy and who they want to give them to.
Okay.
Everything that we get that's gently used is laundered by Mission Linen at no charge.
Okay.
In fact, we're working on a national program with Mission Linen to get this incorporated into other cities.
Very cool. I think that would be a great idea. Well, if you want to donate for Coats for the Cold, there's actually over 70 drop-off locations, 61 set locations in Arcata, McKinleyville, Eureka, Fortuna, Garberville, and Redway. And if they want to find more information, how can they contact you?
Coatsforthecold.org.
All right. Sounds good. Well, thanks so much for joining us.
I needed to thank Channel 3 for helping get the word out for every year that you've done this for us.
Well, hopefully some people bring some coats. Now.